Hello, little artists! Welcome back to ANHAD Kids Arts, where we color and have fun every single day. Today, we're coloring a cute Tom and Jerry. Are you ready? Let's do this together. First, let's grab our favorite colors. Let's start with the sketching. You can choose any color you love. There are no rules in art. Whoa, that looks so good. You're doing a great job. Now, let's color the next part of our Tom and Jerry. Let's add some fun colors. Make it bright, bold, and full of life. Want to add some extra things around it? Go for it. Use your imagination. This is your masterpiece. Make it awesome. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. Just have fun and be creative. You're doing a great job. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and never be afraid to make mistakes, because every mistake is a step to something beautiful. You have a spark inside you that can light up the world. Look at your Tom and Jerry. Amazing work. I'm so proud of you. Wow, your Tom and Jerry looks fantastic. I'm super proud of you, little artist. Tell me in the comments, what cartoon character should we color next? I can't wait to hear your ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ANHAD Kids Art for more fun, colorful videos just like this one. And hit that bell icon. See you next time, awesome kids. Keep coloring, keep smiling, and keep being you. Bye!